This is a piece from a textbook, and I thought it was hilarious because this is just a random textbook that talks about what it takes to implement an ERP system, which I have firsthand intimate experience with, and it was hilarious reading this. Because ERP systems attempt to take on responsibility for basically everything that ever happens in the company, such systems are necessarily exceptionally complex. This is true. Development of complex systems is difficult to do well. Further, it's very difficult to estimate how long such development should take and how much it should cost. Even further, it's super challenging to specify what's needed from such a system, particularly when trying to do so without ever having used an ERP system within the company in the past. As pretty much anyone who has ever been involved with an ERP system development project at their company, and they are likely to regale you with tales of unrestrained horror. That's right, unrestrained, also horror. This author could not be publishing a book that is more true.